Anti-Bullying Week is one of the biggest opportunities each year to make a real difference to your school's culture. But after working with hundreds of schools, we've noticed that there are a few common things that can get missed, and they can make a real difference between a week that's meaningful and one that feels just like ticking a box. In this video, I'll walk through 5 often overlooked tips for ensuring Anti-Bullying Week has maximum impact for your school. Tip 1 is to include your whole school in the plan. Anti-Bullying Week works best when everyone is involved. That's students, teachers, leadership, and also parents. Without a whole school involvement, we might be missing an opportunity to reinforce this positive message across the whole school community. Our tip is to plan activities that reach across all year groups. Give teachers simple activities that they can do to easily join in with the week. Tip 2 is to book external visitors well in advance. A lot of schools think about booking external visitors quite late on, and by that time, some of the best providers can be fully booked. If you want an experienced specialist team delivering to your pupils for Anti-Bullying Week, it's important to book well in advance to secure your dates. Tip 3 is to book a specialist instead of a generalist. There are a lot of companies offering workshops on everything from the Great Fire of London to recycling to geography, but anti-bullying is a sensitive topic that makes a measurable difference to your students' well-being and safeguarding. That's why working with a specialist provider on anti-bullying education will provide you with workshops that are evidence-based, age-appropriate, and designed to make a measurable difference to your school and your young people. Tip 4, secure the right follow-up resources. An amazing workshop is powerful, but without good resources for your teaching staff, the momentum can fade. When you're booking with an external provider, ensure that resources and lesson plans are included as part of the visit. Ideally, these will be video-based modules, which really cuts down on teachers' prep time and ensures that the message reaches your whole school. Tip 5 is to book the space early. This one is simple, but it's very easy to miss. Make sure you book the hall, theatre space, or one cleared classroom, a big classroom for the workshops to take place in. Having the right space for the workshops can make a massive difference with the level of impact that they have, and it ensures that organising and planning the event will go smoothly. Planning Anti-Bullying Week takes a bit of extra care, but getting it right can have a lasting impact on your whole school community. If you're looking for a specialist team to support your Anti-Bullying Week, we would love to help. You can find out more about our anti-bullying workshops at OpenView Education, or feel free to get in touch and we are more than happy to help.